Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, the market's bleeding a little bit, except for DOT, which will probably go red here pretty soon. But let's go over this. I'll give you guys some price predictions of what I'm looking at, and yeah, we'll go over today's analysis. Currently, guys, we're at 100 for 100 wins. Sorry, I got to get this out of the way here. We're currently at 100 for 100 wins on this channel. We have never lost a trade trading crypto, and we're just going to keep trading here. We're going to see what the market gives us. Some trades we might be holding for a little bit longer than normal, but that's okay. We're in a downtrend right now. Obviously, we saw this little bit of a kind of a flash crash the last 24 hours, so I'll be going over giving you guys predictions about that, but we're still doing very well for this video, at least for Ethereum. We're doing great. We have 3 other buy limits here we can hit. We have cash ready if we go down. So in the second half of this video, I'll show you guys how to get into our membership over here, as well as our Christmas and holiday sale on our indicators. It's ending in 3 days. That's all you guys have left, 3 days, and all of our indicators are going up. So I want to make sure that's clear in the beginning of the video, and I'll show you guys how to get into our next trades in the second half so you guys can trade with us so we can all win some more trades together. All right, guys, let's dive into Ethereum. Well, what the heck happened to Ethereum over here? We ended up creating this, I don't know, I guess you can call it a symmetrical triangle pattern, close enough. And what I was watching for was this break to the downside. Now, if you guys watched the last Ethereum video, what we were looking at was 2 things. The well money flow on the price versus well money flow, which is the green, the price is in pink here, and the trend exhaustion. The trend exhaustion was close to the top section here, the close to the red section, as well as the well money flow was high. If you guys watched that video, I was predicting more of a move down and then move up, and then that's what we ended up getting. Now, why was I able to do that? It was because of the accuracy of these indicators. I'm going to go through this very fast. I'm not going to circle all these, but I'm just going to give you guys an idea of what this looks like. You guys need to get the trend exhaustion and price as well money flow and the trend dashboard on your charts. I'm going to show you guys how we're using these. These are why we are not losing trades over here. Part of the reason we are able to call these drops almost with deadly accuracy in the markets. What's happening here is the trend exhaustion is literally coded to look at the behavior of transactions in the past and give us an idea of when transactions in the future can start reaching their peaks as far as trends, and the trend can start reversing. It's an incredibly powerful indicator, and it's the one that's actually been able to call the last 13, 14 drops in Ethereum. I did a video calling the last 13 drops, and it did call the 14th drop here. So what we're watching for here is this accuracy of when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section, as well as when the well money flow is high up here. We are seeing moves back down in the market, literally like every single time. It is almost impossible to come over here and find a time where when we pushed up into the top red section, we are not seeing moves back down in the market. Even if it's just a simple higher low or it's a crash, we are seeing moves back down. This is why people are able to come out here with these indicators, and some people are able to do like tens of thousands of dollars just trading these on the charts. I'm just going to show you a couple more here, and we'll end this here. But showing you guys this, you need to understand that people are starting to catch on to this, and people are starting to use these more because our channel's growing more, which actually makes them more accurate. So you want to make sure you've got these on your charts, because I actually had this question yesterday. Travis, the more people that trade with your group, and because I work with quite a few millionaire traders, will we actually become somewhat of a whale on this channel? Now, and the honest answer is yes, we could become a small whale on the channel for some of these cryptos in here, because we have a lot of people, trading with us now, but a lot of people have the indicators now, which honestly, guys, are going to make these indicators more accurate, which is going to make you guys more profitable. Okay, even when we're getting down to the bottom sections here, people are like, oh my gosh, I can see now that when we get down here, Ethereum stopped and it moved back up. Ethereum stopped and it moved back up. Okay, why do I show you all of that? The ridiculous accuracy here is insane. Make sure you guys get them in the description. I will never have these indicators cheaper than they will be right now for the next 3 days. That's all you guys have is 3 days. Watch this. Why do I show you all this and take that time? It's to show you this right here. Where are we currently sitting based off the history that you now know of the accuracy of this? We are sitting down to the section here of the last crash in crypto. That was over here, and that was basically to pull us back like 2 Fridays ago, okay? The time after that was right here. What we're seeing in the market when this happens here is very nice pumps back up. So we're seeing a nice increase here, and we saw a nice increase in the market there. Let's give ourselves some predictions of some possible price movements we could see back up. Down at the bottom here, I'm not going to go exactly to the bottom because nobody got in at the bottom, but the trend went up 21% before we saw a reversal back down. Take a look at this when the trend exhaustion got way down here. This was down at this level on this drop here, and we moved all the way up before we saw a move down. We saw about a 10% jump in the market. Okay, now that we're down here, what's the average we could possibly see if we pull these together? Maybe about between a 15% jump. A 15% jump in the market could push us back above the entry here, and we could be targeting around $4,300. Okay, That's a scenario that we've seen in the past because money loves to flow into the market when we're this low. Well, why is that? It's because the wells and institutions love to buy a lower price. It's on sale. Retail traders right now are waking up on the West Coast and the East Coast freaking out that the price is going down, so they're going to be selling, but I can guarantee you guys, smart money's buying. I'll show that metric to you guys over here. That is why we're not going to be selling any of our positions. We want the price to go down so we hit more buy limits so we get more money in the market. Demand takes over and this thing starts shooting up even faster. Not only do we get more money in the market if our second buy limit is hit, but our entry doesn't stay here. It actually goes between the first and second buy limit and it moves down, giving us more money in the trade and giving us more money in the profit when we break our break-even entry price, which will be right around here about $3,900 when those come together. This is the best strategy for you guys to be trading if you want to be trading crypto for the long term. Okay, I'm trying to prove that to you guys with never losing a trade. And I'm in this trade, this exact trade with you guys on my Coinbase account. Look at this real quick and then we're going to go over the metrics. The trend dashboard tells me what the retail traders are looking at. They're moving averages, their MACD, their RSI, and just of recent, this was actually red here, and this was all 6 indicators showing bearishness. We know that because it's moving down here. I'm telling you guys, watch this experiment that happens. When you guys see all the retail trader indicators red, this is where a lot of people wake up and they're like, oh my gosh, the trend is my friend. You guys ever heard that? Or follow momentum. That is what people are telling you guys to do, and they're using indicators such as the moving averages. We don't use a single moving average on our charts. We don't use the RSI, stochastic, or MACD, okay? We have them up here in the indicators, but what I'm showing you guys is retail traders, when they wake up and they see this, they're going to start selling. It is time to buy. That is my conclusion for you guys. It is time to buy. We're looking for that maybe 15% increase. Let's go over here to the metrics and take a look and see what we can project if we see a move back down here further, because that's possible too. I'm not here to just tickle your guys' ears for some nice jumps in the market. Let's actually assess both sides in case we start dropping. What's the emotional index looking like right now as far as Ethereum? We've been sitting in the neutral section here, but today when we were waking up, this may actually drop down into the anxious section because we're starting to see a move down. A lot of people are like, man, I really hope I thought we were going up here, but then we didn't, and then we started crashing back down here. So I think we're going to start pushing into the anxious, maybe the fearful section if we head down even further, closer to these levels down here, which I'll be talking to you guys about at these structure lows. So let me pull this out here because we're going to get into that in just a second. Moving down here, looking at long versus short trades. You know what? Short trades actually have just been kind of, hovering where they're at. Long trades hovering where they're at. This has hardly ever happened on the blockchain for Ethereum. Something's happened with Ethereum on Bitfinex. I think there's just a ridiculous move that's about to happen, either a crash or either a pump, and everybody's just holding their trades. Like literally, this has not happened for an extremely long time on Ethereum. You guys see all of this price action going up and down, like all that movement? Look at this, flat, like coming from these like flat barren lands over here where nobody's like selling their short trades or I think you know what I mean. Nobody's exiting their short trades. Nobody's selling their long trades. They're just consistent. So interesting here is that people are still indecisive, I guess is the best way to say it. And I want to see today, as we watch the metrics here, as the price starts to drop down, will short trades move out of the market? Because the price has already dropped down, and then will long trades increase, and that will be actually very bullish for us for Ethereum to see a jump in the market. Maybe another jump up here from maybe about 15%. Okay, take a look at this. Long versus short trade risk. Where's the favor lie? The metric came down here at neutral yesterday, and it went straight down to good long trade. This is showing you where the favor lies. So the favor is on long trades right now because we're expected to see a move back up. Makes sense? Okay, move down here. We were able to predict the drop. I've been telling you these guys in the last videos, if you guys just simply watch the well and institutional smart money, you will be able to see what's happening with smart money behind the scenes. As the price is moving up here, people were like, oh my gosh, we're getting into a rally. We're starting to move up. Maybe we're going to hit an all-time high again. Everyone's getting very excited about this because we see a crash and then we started to move up. We actually made a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. We officially hit a definition of an uptrend. And I think a lot of people were like, man, we're doing good. Like I was upset. I was up $7,000 in this move here. And then, obviously the crypto market's moving back down today. So we're like, what is going on here? And then we start crashing back down. What happened was, if you guys were watching this over here, and this is part of the reason, if you guys have been following me and you've been watching every video, why I was talking about the rebalancing, because I was expecting this drop over here. And I was like, man, if we rebalance, this could actually help us a lot. So those of you guys who ended up doing that, great job. Now, I'll go into that later. Anyways, watch this metric here. when you start seeing the price move up and you start seeing institutions and whales come out here and take short trades, the metric values to the downside. Well, what's the downside? It's short trades, okay? This is where the price can drop very fast because there isn't really much sustainability of long trades in the market, and that's where it can drop. So that's why we end up getting this drop, guys. That's my personal opinion. And also because we had the trend exhaustion high, looking at past behavior of what people do at certain levels, and we also saw the whale money flow is high. When whale money flow is high, they're done buying and they're looking to sell, and that's how they sell off the price, and they sell. But eventually, the whales will actually turn around after they've sold because they are at a discounted price, and they will start buying again. And you will literally see this green line move up where purchases are being made on the blockchain. Watch these indicators, guys, closely and get them on your charts. I'm telling you, we've literally called like the last 14 drops in Ethereum with these indicators. Okay, support and resistance prices, and I'll go over this now. Let's get you guys into the next trade setups here. Support. Let's get into the case scenario where we start crashing further. Where are the supports, guys? It's very visually apparent. It is 3,575 and it is at 2,600. Okay, no, you guys don't like to see that. We will probably bounce at 3,000, so let's take a look at these areas. As far as they move back down, we need to be watching this zone right here. Let me see if I can pull this out of this real quick. Let's go like this. I'm going to keep this on the chart because I want to show us that 15%, but this is the one I want to remove. What I want to show you guys is this support here. This is the one that we're looking at, and it's very strong because we have wick value lows. So we do have somewhat of a, quote unquote saving grace here, is that we have 3 strong supports here, and they're right around this area of, obviously 3,600, 3,700, 36 to 37. We already are seeing a bounce up from here, which is nice because we're seeing, trend exhaustion low. I do believe we are going to see some green candles come out here before we start breaking any type of supports here. Trend exhaustion low like this, guys, it doesn't usually stay here long, and the price actually starts to move back up. So we could actually get, actually bullish here in the next 24 hours. But let's play the scenario out in case we start moving back down. What's going to happen? Well, if we break this level here, the next strongest level of support is down here at $2,800. And if you come down to wick value low, it's at $2,659. So if we had to pull a price in here, it's at $2,700. That's where we can move down. We'll look exactly where the third buy limit is placed. It is down at this level here. So if we hit this one and then we hit this one, our break even is going to move down here. We'll get a ton of money into the market for a move back up. Okay, this is still possible, so you guys need to be watching your cash balance in your exchanges, okay? Make sure you guys have enough cash in your exchange to handle this, all right? Dollar cost average entries, if you guys have $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in the market, every time you get a green line, great, you guys can do that. Dollar cost average entries. We might actually get one coming out here over this weekend if we start dropping back down, so make sure you guys watch that. Throw some money in the market if you want, hold for 5-10 years, and you guys get great average entries for diamond hand holders. This came out and showed us an exit point and said, hey, heads up, everybody, we could possibly heading back down. We could possibly head back down, possibly head back down. It's been very accurate, and that's what we got as well. The metrics and indicators clearly called this. Like, this was actually one of the easiest calls down in crypto that we've made on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It wasn't a long time up. We're like, okay, we're sitting at the top section here. We're getting overextended. If we break this, we're going to drop. Okay, we made the drop and it fell down. Like, this was probably one of the top 3 easiest calls to make, and it's just watching the indicators as well as the metrics over here. Like, clearly we're looking for a drop here. Again, if you guys just take a look at this metric value right here, like, hello, this metric value got all the way down to like -900, which was down over here where we saw this huge crash in the crypto market. And if you see that, it happened overnight. Do you guys see the value here? Like, please, once you have this membership, you guys are literally... You should not be losing too many trades ever again once you guys have this, because you're able to see into the back end of what's happening in crypto. This metric value here went down to about 100, because here's -200 and here's -100. This moved in 24-hour period and moved all the way down to -900. Okay, that moved down in a metric point of 800 values. Okay, that happened in 24 hours, guys. There's no way this thing's going to keep going up. If that happens, it's going to see a drop back down. That's why a ton of people have our membership, because you can actually view the well and institutional smart money metric for every single one of these coins, guys. Partnering that with the indicators, it is ridiculous accuracy to predict market moves up and down. That's why my tone today is not like frustrated or angry at all. Like, I was expecting this to happen. And let's move into this section of the video, and then I'm going to set you guys up into the next trades, and we'll do that. I want everybody to do an account checkup right now. How is your cash? How is your cash? Do you have... Honestly, guys, I conservatively, you need to have at least 25% of your portfolio in cash. I would suggest you guys get above 30 to 35%. I'm currently sitting at 40%. If you're above 50%, you've got too much cash on the sidelines. This is my personal opinion, because we could actually start heading back up here, and this could be faking everybody down, and we could start blasting up again. So not having at least 50% in the market, I think, is actually kind of foolish, if I can just call that out. But having around 35 to 40% cash in here in case we start dropping, that's going to give you guys money on the sidelines to pick up some ridiculous discounts. Guys, Black Friday could happen again here very soon on crypto. Do you have money in the market to actually buy it if it goes down? That's what I want to give you guys a check for. Okay, let's look at this. You guys want to take a look at a couple profits real quick, which is awesome. I think I showed this to you guys a couple other, probably yesterday. This guy made $6,000 in the bear run with our metrics and our indicators. Super awesome. $7,000 between ADA and Mana alone. I just added the indicators today. We have some more testimonials we'll add here, but it's just been super fun to add these, throughout the week. $2,700 in the last 7 days with Ethereum and Doge. Pretty awesome. Good job, man. This guy down here, $687. That's sweet. Good job. The guy down here goes, where did he go? He went 25 for 25 wins on our chart, and he went 25 for 25 wins in the last 6 weeks, and he's grown his account with no leverage, by the way. He's grown his account 50%. If you guys see this up here, it's pretty awesome. So anyways, just showing this to you guys. This guy did $20,000 with just 2 indicators: the trend exhaustion and price risk while money flow. These indicators are going up in price in 3 days. You guys just have 3 days left, so I'll get into that in a second. But here's how you guys sign up for our membership so you guys can trade with us, and we've literally never lost a trade. It's just $49 a month. This is the cheapest membership you guys will ever find online. I know it's cheap. We have millionaires trading with a $49 a month membership, and we have some institutions trading with $49 a month. I know it's cheap, so here's the deal, guys. We are going to be upping this price. We're going to be upping it because we're growing super fast. I need to hire more employees. That's the deal. I'm literally training. You guys know about Josh and Jake. Josh is the newest employee we brought on. Super awesome. Oh my gosh. Guys, when you email us in, you literally, we have the best support team in the world. I'm not even like kidding. We try to respond to people. We actually respond to some people up to 5-6 times a day over email. Now, please respect the inbox. Don't blow it up everybody at once. But we're literally here to help you guys. So here's the deal, guys. Today, get the membership for $49 a month. When this goes up in price, I will grandfather you in so you will be able to stay at $49 for the rest of your life. I will not force your account to up in price when the renewal comes every month. You guys can stay at $49. All right, that's going to give you access to all of the metrics, but here's where you guys want to pay attention right now. It's the live trades, and then I'll share with you guys the actual sell we have going on for indicators, and that's going to end in 72 hours here. 100 for 100 wins. How have we done this? Every single one of our trades have all been taken from this one single page right here, okay? This is on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all the coins that we're talking about. We're obviously talking about Ethereum today, and I'll keep that private, but this is what you guys want to do. Click into Bitcoin right here. So here's what you guys are going to be looking at today. You're going to see 3 things on your charts. You're going to see price action in white. You're going to see the buy limits in yellow here and the sell limit here. Here's what you guys are going to do. Follow me down here. Let's say you have $1,000 to enter into this trade with. You guys pick the amount. You're going to split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, just 25%. 250 at this level, 250 at this level, 250 at this level, 250 at this level, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, and please listen carefully, set all of your buy limits up at the exact same time. Literally, set them all up at the same time with the exact same amount of money for each. And then once your first buy limit is hit, then set your sell limit up here at the top here. For this example, it's 58,900. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange. Now, once you do all that, guys, most likely I will call an exit in the Telegram channel before we hit the sell limit, because the sell limit is here in case we just skyrocket up overnight and we start moving up very fast, okay? This is going to update in, say, 12:29 in literally an hour and 15 minutes, because it's just not 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time yet. It's 6:47 right now. So coming down here, the last step you guys need to do is get into the Telegram channel and get the indicators. The indicators, I'll go over in a second. Excuse me. Trying to drink more water in the morning. You guys need to sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Get the membership and then click this right here. It's actually going to give you guys a members only page, because that members only page actually has the hot link to immediately add you guys in here to the Telegram channel. I think we've grown about 100 subscribers in the last 24 hours or something like that. It's been pretty crazy. 24 to about 30 hours from when I've been watching this. So a lot of people are understanding now, like, wow, we really have never lost a crypto trade. And I've shown that to you guys in past videos. But not only that, guys, I'm helping you guys exit these markets with the indicators. So let's just go over that. These indicators are insane, guys, combined with the metrics. And here's the deal on this. You guys have literally 72 hours left. That's all you guys have. And these indicators will never be lower than this price again. Okay, you have my word on this, all right? The bundle pack is what you guys want to be getting right now. Click this link and at checkout, enter coupon code Christmas. You can capitalize it, you can lowercase it, it doesn't matter. Enter coupon code Christmas. This is going to give you guys a listed price and you're going to get an extra $50 off the listed price. Now that is going to actually go up in 72 hours, $50. You guys can come down here and get the price for swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard to copy my charts. These are the ones you guys need at minimum to copy my charts. But the bundle pack, I don't even have them all listed here. You guys actually get a total of 9 indicators in the bundle pack. And if you guys get these 3 down here, you might as well just pay a few more dollars to get the bundle pack, because I'm going to start showing you guys in this next year how to use some of our other indicators over here, okay? You're going to be overpaying if you get the individual indicators about 25%. Overpaying. If you guys want them individually, that's fine. Use the coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. I don't want to like rob that from you guys, but the thing is, you guys should be getting the bundle pack, because I know for a fact this is not going to be lower than this again, and you guys need to snag this, all right? Now, let me tell you this real quick, and then we'll end this video. Price for swell, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. If any of you guys, or any of them, if you have ever purchased any of our individual indicators, let's just say you purchased the price for swell, money flow, and you want to upgrade to the bundle pack before the price goes up, email our team at betradeconfident@gmail.com. betradeconfident@gmail.com. See that email right there? betradeconfident@gmail.com. Email us and say, hey guys, I purchased the price for swell, money flow. I want to pay the difference and I want you guys to give me the bundle pack today. And we'll do it. Tell us, hey, I purchased the trend exhaustion and the price for swell, money flow. I want you guys to give me the difference and I want you to give me the bundle pack because I know it's on sale and it's going up. We will honor that for everybody. So just email us and we'll give that to you guys. The indicators are a lifetime purchase, meaning you purchase them once and you get them for life. It is not a monthly subscription to the indicators. You purchase them once, you even get the source code and you get them for life. Not a monthly recurring membership. Only the membership is, because we call out trades and we make you guys a ridiculous amount of money in here. And we haven't ever lost a trade. So looking at Ethereum, guys, could we be moving down here, breaking the support and moving all the way back down to, 2,700? Yes. And that is a possibility. So you better make sure you've got some cash in your exchange over here. And you're sitting at, in my personal opinion, at least 30% of cash in your portfolios. All right. Secondly, if we do see it move back up, we could be seeing a 15% jump here, because that's what we have actually seen when the well money flow and the trend exhaustion has come this low. So you guys might be waking up tomorrow in the next 48 hours and you might actually see the market come back and start seeing some green candles. I wouldn't doubt that. If we're looking at a strict metric perspective and indicators perspective, we actually are due for a move back up and that could happen. But if this price moves down further like this and the trend exhaustion moves up like that and the well money flow moves up like this is going to be a positive sign of divergence, and this will most likely be an incredible bear trap to the downside. So please watch that, and then that's when the price can move up extremely fast, and that's where you can get a lot of people caught on the downside looking for short trades. Then they have to flip their short trades because it went up so fast. So if this keeps going down and the well money flow in the green starts moving up here and the trend exhaustion starts moving up here and creates this higher low and the higher low formation, and this creates a lower low, that is a sign that we are going to see a pump in the market, and you need to watch for that and not be selling. You need to be looking for the move back up. These indicators are going to keep you guys safe. Make sure you get these in the description. They're going up in 72 hours. Make sure you guys get the membership. That's also going to be going up in price in these next few months here on the channel. And then making sure you guys are setting up the buy limits over here and getting into the Telegram channel, because that's going to be where I'm calling all the exits and giving you guys market updates for things that I see that I'm not able to call out on the YouTube videos, okay? Guys, everything you need is in the description. I hope you guys are having a blast here. I'm having so much fun training you guys and working with all of you guys. God bless you so much as you move into this week. I'll keep videos coming today, but make sure you guys get the indicators. They go up in 72 hours, and making sure you guys are getting the membership before that goes up as well, and get into the Telegram channel and set up the buy limits. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll see you later, guys. Let's see what we can do. Let's make some more money. See you guys. Bye.